All right, back in another new construction. It's a little dark in here today because it's raining outside. That's why we're not gonna go out there. There's nothing major going on out there anyway, mostly just some cosmetic things, which is always better than major issues, I guess. We'll start here in the master. Down here in the shower. Yet again, if you've seen our other videos, they're not peeling the plastic off the shower pan or the shower enclosure walls. And that goes underneath the drain, the flange, not just the strainer here, it goes under the flange. So water can find its way up under the plastic, bypassing all that sealant they put in there. As another note, it's kind of hard to tell from up here, but there is paint everywhere. All over the tiles throughout this whole house. I guess the painters thought they didn't need a drop cloth, or I don't know what they were thinking, but it's not good. Let's go back in here, take a look at the other bathroom. So if you've seen one of our recent videos, I was complaining about that plastic not being peeled off from behind shower valves and everything else. This is the same builder, but this is not the same community. This community is 45 miles away from that last one. And they're still doing the same things. Leaving the plastic on and caulking over top of it. Down here too. And then as an added bonus, they don't even peel it off from between the panels. Same on this side. There's just a lot of little stuff here. Paint all over the floors everywhere. A bifold door that almost closes, but not quite. Just automatic opening on that one. That's a feature. Let me get these things off so we don't have to listen to those. We're done with the carpet. Kitchen's not too bad. I've complained before about not getting ceiling fans in new builds. Well, they've stepped it up a notch. You just don't get anything now. Not even a light. So, congratulations on your brand new dark house. And since it's raining, it's a good time to point out these huge gaps around some of these fasteners in the sliding glass door frame. You think water's gonna get behind there? I'd say so. And we'll finish up out in the garage. Got a lot of the same out there. Same thing we always see. And if you've seen our videos in the past, you know what I'm gonna say. Loose nuts on the garage door. Same thing over here. Actually, this one's not loose. This one's just not here. And again, same builders, the same things as the last one. Just horrible finishing on the concrete in the garage. It's just, I mean, once you start looking close, there's chips and chunks taken out everywhere. I mean, you can't take 2 steps without seeing it. We got big old piles of concrete stuck to the floor. Oh, look at that big gouge too. I mean, it's just, some of the floor is smooth. Like obviously this is pretty smooth, so they tried. They just didn't try very hard. Again. It's everywhere. The whole floor. And then aside from that, I mean, just the finish work these days is terrible. Like some of these door frames, once you get a light on it, look at that paint run there. And there's just paint runs everywhere. inside this closet. I put that tape there. They don't know about that yet, but they're about to. Missing some drywall, missing some caulking. And it's just the workmanship. Chips and doors. Paint runs on almost everything. I mean, everything's white, so it's hard to see at first, but chip tile in the bedroom. We got a couple more in the bathroom here. Oh, speaking of the bathroom. You want your bathroom door to latch? Because this one doesn't. Chip tile right there. Chip tile right here. There's another one in the master shower. I mean, it's just everywhere. Paint on the backsplash. Just the sloppiest work you could imagine. And there, I mean, almost every single tile has got some amount of paint on it. Whether it's sloppy work on the baseboards or paint drips. I mean, this is what you're getting for these high volume builders these days. I'm not gonna say who this one is, but you certainly know of them. So get a home inspection so you don't get stuck with this. You can get them to fix some of this before you move in. I know a lot of these guys won't do the cosmetic stuff. Some of them will, some of them won't. But you can at least try. And one more thing on my way out, if this will come out on camera. So you see the threshold. You can, where's my finger? On this left side, you can see the threshold sticking up. On the right side, you can't. Hopefully that's coming out okay. The threshold is level. The flooring in the entryway is not. It's level on the threshold. And I can put it over here. And on the other side, level. Now, you could do this. Obviously, we're hitting on this side. Do the same thing over here. We go right over the top. This tile is not too bad, and this is a small level to be doing this with, but this is what's in my hand. I mean, it's not perfect, but it's close. It's closer than this one is. Well, that's nice. Here's a little bit of a better view. Threshold's level. Flooring is not.